Ever so often, I like to, just cook a little pot. I am one of those persons who love the stews. And so when I'm making my different type of stews, I add different elements to it just to see if I can, kick it up a notch. I typically start with garlic and, of course, a good quality cooking oil. Like, for instance, this dish that I'm making, which is just simply cabbage. I'm sauteing some cabbage and I'm making sure that I add all my aromatics first. And once I get those to a certain level of translucency, then I will add the rest of my stuff. Normally, I put my cabbage with a little bit of carrots and celery just for flavor and also for the health. And so, guys, whenever you're making your dish, make sure that you don't just go mundane. Always try to kick it up a notch. Cabbage goes well with coconut oil. And of course, what I also do is I try to separate the cabbage from whatever else I'm adding to it. So, for instance, in this particular dish, I am doing cabbage and saltfish. So after sauteing my cabbage and getting it to a certain level, then I turn around and I do the very same thing, but only with the saltfish. That way, when my patrons are eating, they can now choose to mix it or choose to have it separate. Just little styles like that. Yeah, the Belly TV is all about exploring different styles, trying to get the best out of what we're doing, and that is my mantra. Here you will see how I plan to work my saltfish in the oil, and of course, you see one bone right there. My wife will love the bones, so I will always add the little bit of bone right there so she can get it. To the saltfish, I add tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, and again, coconut oil is a great oil because it carries a certain amount of flavor. I'm also putting fresh thyme. It is great when you add fresh thyme to your food. Fresh ingredients is way better than any other powdered ingredients or anything like that. For this one, I'm just adding a little bit of cumin, a little bit of Larry's, just a little bit. And guys, I promise you, dinner is ready. Here I'm adding some coconut flakes, and it always turn out nice. I have these beautiful peppers that add to the dish and make it awesome. And of course, for dinner, nothing beats little curry goat. Curry goat is always good. Of course, you have to add your cumin and you have to simmer your curry goat down nicely. These are just some of the things that Yardie Belly TV does when I'm doing what I'm doing. Thank you for watching. For all those who have been with us for the long haul, we appreciate you and we don't take your patronage of our channel lightly. We do appreciate you guys. Look out for some great dish coming up in 2024 because Yardie Belly TV not stop till we deliver everything perfectly. Well, not perfectly, but expeditiously. Me can't find one next big word. Yardie Belly TV, live and laugh, cook and eat. Remember, guys, we have apparel coming out. We have so much things that we have planned. So stick and stay, don't go anywhere, and tell somebody else about Yardie Belly TV so that they too can be a part of this awesome, awesome platform. Thank you once again for all our subscribers and all who watch this video. Please, if you want some curry chicken in our neck of the woods or some curry goat like what you have here, make sure say you link up because Yardie Belly TV says so. Remember,